This recipe is the most delicious Dakgalbi recipe in the world. But if don't follow the exact cooking method and ingredients, the result can be different. I hope you can follow correctly. Good luck! Garlic in, sugar in, beef MSG in, red pepper powder in, curry powder in, soy sauce in, oyster sauce in, chili paste in, pear juice in, mix, cut the chicken, sauce in, mix it and marinate for 20 minutes. Onion, Kumara, spring onion, cabbage, Perilla leaf, oil in, Kumara in, cabbage in, onion in, spring onion in, marinated chicken in. Cook over medium heat until your vegetable is crying. Perilla leaf in, Asian grandma sesame oil in, sesame seeds in. It is finished. In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.